Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's short video I have a 2018 Renault Megane and I will show you which fuses to check in case your power doors are not working. This video will apply to 4th generation of Renault Meganes made from 2016. Power door locks fuse is located in the main fuse box, which is just under the steering wheel on the left side behind this cover. To remove the cover, there is a small opening down here. You just want to pull it towards yourself. On the back side of the cover, you will have a small fuse diagram on the top. You will have a yellow fuse puller, which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses, and you will have a couple of spare fuses on the bottom. Once the cover is off, you have access to all of the fuses, and the fuses responsible for power doors are two blue 15mm fuses, the one here at the bottom and the one on the top. So these are your power door locks fuses. I will zoom in a bit as well. So these are the ones to check. And hopefully one of these fuses will be burned out, and just by replacing it, that will fix your problem. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.